this is Joan Pratt, and I am here to bring you a showing of my brand new listing in Crystal Valley. This is a very unique home. It's not your average cookie cutter kind of thing that we can sometimes see in Crystal Valley. This home was lovingly built by the sellers, and it is a ranch style home that backs to a green belt, and it has a 4-car garage. So all of you people in my normal acreage areas that are interested in something with less maintenance, but guys, you don't want to give up the garage, and women, you don't want to give up your amazing kitchen, watch this video, it is for you. So our address here is 3910 Mighty Oaks. It is just right before you get to Loop Road off of Crystal Valley Parkway. This home has 5 bedrooms, 3 on the main floor, and there are 2 more in the walkout basement. So there's 3 baths in this home, but again, 4-car garage, open space, trails. You get the amenities of Crystal Valley, which include a clubhouse. There's a gym there, there's pools there. They even have some cool social things that they do in the summers. But you should definitely take a look at this house because it is a ranch with a finished walkout, low maintenance, backyard even has turf. So come on, let's go take a look. Okay, are you ready? This is just the beauty. You can even see right straight out those windows, just unobstructed views of some buttes. Very open floor plan, but you walk in and you have kind of a separate wing over here. This is where the main floor laundry is, complete with utility sink. Then the sellers used these as his and her offices, but they definitely are bedrooms. They have egress windows as well as closets and those really pretty beadboard doors. This is the second one. Vertical video is not the best for showing room sizes, but we'll do our best. Here we go. We have 2 sinks, and it has a really nice shower. As we continue through the main floor of the house, you can see these really cool stained railings with white spindles. This is a really neat feature. This is a drop and go area where you can put your charging stations up here. And then look at this coat closet. Right off of your garage, perfect for all your winter gear. Any additional storage you might need. And so we have 3 garages on this side. Today is a very windy day, but here is our 3-car garage. We are back. We're going to explore the great room here. This really beautiful fireplace also has built-in 5-point surround sound, and there is a tubing system for a flat panel to put it on the wall there on the right-hand side. We have a very spacious formal dining room here that kind of cuts through to the kitchen, but we're just going to walk right across here. Isn't it lovely? So we have GE appliances and a Samsung refrigerator here that are included. Beautiful crown molding on those cabinets. Have a gas range top. Nice big pantry. Now you can see where all my stuff is stashed. Great big sink. Tons of counter space. I can just see baking cookies here at Christmas time and just enjoying the peaceful serenity. As you look out these windows, you are definitely up in a little tree house here, perched above everyone. This is a good time to really see how those trails work. They actually go to the clubhouse and all around the neighborhood. You can also see from here the turf that's down below and the landscaping that has been put in. The deck has recently been repainted. And you can see here also that there is a gas line out there and speakers. This is one of those honeycomb shades. But let's go take a look at the master. This really does have main floor living. Everything you need is right here, including the his and hers offices. Just, I think it's 2 stairs to the garage. So very easy to age in place, should that be your desire. Nice linen closet here. Master bathroom with a 5-piece bath. A lot of these new builds do not have a tub. So those of you that love a tub, this one's got it already. There's the toilet area. And look at this amazing closet. It sounds like we got a squeaky board there, but plenty of space, and I really like this too. Look at this. An extra little cabinet here, but it has your floor to ceiling mirror so you can check out your shoes. Okay, we are gonna go check out this bedroom. So as you can see, it has the bay bump out window. Actually, just tons of natural light. That's one of the seller's favorite things about this home. Let's take a peek out this area here. You can see there's a little pathway that goes down to the side. And there's quite a bit of distance between this home and its neighbors, which I think sometimes does not come across in photos. So that's when these videos are actually extra helpful. You can see that the fencing here is also pet fenced, which means it is all ready for your fur babies. And we do have access to that deck. Okay, here we are in the lower level walkout. We have some wood paneling here to give us a little bit of a accent wall. And they used to have a pool table here as well as a big living room set. So this area is quite large and there is plenty of space for all you're looking to do. Have a wet bar here. This had been used as an office at one time, but it's also a bedroom with its dual closets and its egress window here. Definitely just light and bright like the rest of the house. We can get a better feel for that xeriscaped backyard. And the deck and patio. This is the sump pit with the sump pump. So, there are speakers built into the ceiling here, not unlike it was upstairs. It also looks like it is set up for some electrical here. This might be for plumbing or pre-wire for a projector. There's just one bathroom on this floor. It does have a shower. And tile floors. This is the second of the bedrooms downstairs for a total of 5. This one here has quite a large closet. This home does have some neat features, which I'm going to show you here in the storage room, which is ginormous. So plenty of room in here for a workshop should you so desire. It's also neat that they have the extra pieces of carpet and tiles in case something were to break or need to be replaced in the home. Extra trim boards and things. Tons of shelving for storage. That is our water main there. This home has one furnace and one water heater, and it does have a humidifier here. Looks like that might be maple air. There is central AC, and they also have this halo system. This is really neat. It's basically a blue light to sanitize your air. Well, what do you think? Could this be your next dream home? Are you looking for a lock and leave, easy living kind of vibe with still the creature comforts that you've been accustomed to all these years? Like a 4-car garage, an amazing kitchen, an amazing closet, walkout, lots of space between you and your neighbors, plus all the things that people today are looking for, like the trails and the pool and the clubhouse and the sense of community. Well, look no further. Please contact me to schedule your in-person showing. And would you mind, can you think of anyone that this house might be an amazing fit for? I would love it if you would share this video with them, and let's see if we can make a match. Thank you so much for watching today. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can be the first to know about our amazing new listings. We appreciate you watching. Choose to make it a great day.